Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Pinterest experience and make your browsing more enjoyable, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to enable the filter comments on others' pins feature on Pinterest using your PC. This is a brand new update, and it's designed to help you filter out unwanted or inappropriate comments when you're viewing pins from other users. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see several options, but what you're looking for is the Settings button. Click on Settings to open up your account preferences. Now that you're in the Settings section, you'll notice a list of categories. Scroll down and find the Social Permissions option. Click on it to reveal more social interaction settings. Inside the Social Permissions menu, look for the option labeled Filter Comments on Others' Pins. This is the new feature that allows you to filter out comments that may be offensive, spammy, or simply not what you want to see when exploring pins from other users. To enable it, simply toggle the switch next to this option. After you've enabled the filter, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom or top of the page and click it. This ensures your new settings are applied right away. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the filter for comments on others' pins. From now on, you'll enjoy a cleaner, more positive Pinterest experience, free from unwanted comments. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.